share the video.
Share this video.
Because there are so many dead dreams in Nigeria. Let's not allow this one to die.
Ladies and gentlemen, what's up? What's good? What's happening? Sorry, my guys. See, I know as I don't see this, you go, they wonder. We are not in the airport. Everything you see here were designed, constructed by Nigerians and young guys, and they are here. I have with me
Ikechukwu
Edwin, Aliu Muhammad, Tochi the comedian, Benjamin Felix. So this you see here, not be as in na flight. I don't see a flight right now. Let me just hear briefly from Mr. Edwin.
All right, my name is Ikechukwu Edwin. By God's grace, I am the leader of the Afromesh Limited, which is a tech company in collaboration with the United Pan-Africanist Movement, who are also supporting an organization supporting tech. So we've been able to come up with this drones, surveillance drone, and a
yellow or blue?
Taking the yellow one.
Let's go with the yellow one.
What's the height it can fly?
Can this thing fly? My guy, they ask questions. What's the height? So now let's go. Are we set? Take it away. Come on, come on, come on. Come now. Is he about to fly?
Yeah, I'm going to fly.
Okay, he's flying this way. Let's go.
Start one time.
Hey, wait! Wow! On a les siens! On a les siens! Hey! Smart! Siens! Bring it down, oh! Hey! Aliu! Wow! Oh boy! I know they hear anything again, no. Bring it down, no. Hey! No. Oh